Assalamu alaikum, dear students and viewers. This is Muhammad Abdul Mateen, Assistant Teacher English, Bindubashini Government Boys High School. I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now, today I am going to take a class for the student of class 10. And subject is English first paper. Okay, students, take your textbook and exercise book to share the class. Okay, student, I am going to write down some names in whiteboard. First, Khan Ataur Rahman. Two, Kaji Hayat. Three, Johir Raihan. Four, Amjad Hossain. Khan Ataur Rahman, Kaji Hayat, Johir Raihan and Amjad Hossain. There is a link among them. They are the famous film director of Bangladesh. But all these four names, one is exceptionally others from four names, who made a documentary film Stop Genocide and showed it to outside Bangladesh in order to create image and sentiment, for our country during the Liberation War 1971. And I think you could identify the name, and he is Johir Raihan. Only Johir Raihan made a documentary, Stop Genocide, and create sentiment for our war of liberation. Okay, students, today our topic is Johir Raihan. Johir Raihan was born in Feni. He was a talented one of the most talented filmmaker of Bangladesh. He was an active participator of language movement. He loved his mother tongue, Bangla, and motherland. He also take part in historical Amtola meeting. He took part in mass movement and so on. He also made a legendary film, Jibon Theke Neya. And the film, by this way, he showed our protest to the then Pakistani autocratic government. And the film was very much appreciated by celebrated filmmaker of India. and he was killed by local collaborators. His dream was a society where people will get their right to speak, just mean right to speak, and a country free from autocratic Pakistani ruler. We got our independence, but this dreamer could not see this independence. Okay, students, from the passage we can share some keywords. I have already written on the whiteboard. I think you will write them and make them a complete sentence or make them sentence if you want to improve your writing skill. Okay, first one, talented means bright or brilliant. Two, filmmaker, film director. Three, language movement, activities related to language. Procession, rally, impose, to compel to do something by authority or someone. Pigeon, jail. Freedom of speech means right to speak publicly without any fear. Protest, stand against unlawful activities. Local collaborators, people who help the enemy in war or in a war. Appreciate, praise or admire. Admire. Conspiracy, a secret unlawful plan. Student, please write down all 10 keywords with their meaning. Now, from the passage, we took some information about our talented Zohi Raihan. Now I am going to write down some information about Zohi Raihan in brief, and if you write them, you will be able to know many things about him. Zohi Raihan is called a versatile, genius, because number one, because he was A. Number 1, brilliant student of Dhaka University. Number 2, active worker of language movement. Number 3, a famous writer. Four, a renowned novelist. Four, a talented film maker. Number 6, a participator of historical Amtola meeting. And mass movement. An organizer to create sentiment in favor of our liberation. War. A freedom fighter. Above all, he was a great donor. A donator. 10. A great dreamer. A great dreamer. So, after going through all this information, we have some idea about Zohir Rayhan, who did everything for our country. Okay, student, for his noble activities, he was honored by different awards. He was honored by different awards and organization. First one, he got একুশে পদক। He got বাংলা একাডেমি লিটারেরি অ্যাওয়ার্ড। He got আদমজি আদমজি লিটারারি অ্যাওয়ার্ড। He also got বাংলাদেশ ফিল্ম অ্যাওয়ার্ড। বাংলাদেশ ন্যাশনাল ফিল্ম অ্যাওয়ার্ড। So he was obviously a great person whose name and fame cannot be described in a short time. Okay, now student, I would like to share with you some filling the gap with Johir Rayhan. So please write down this, and after finishing the question I will give you answer and you will match the answer. Fill in the gap with appropriate first Johir Rayhan was a film dash. Number 2, he was dash to join language movement. Number 3, জীবন থেকে নেয়া is a dashed against Pakistani ruler. Number 4, stop genocide. Is a dash 5 local collaborators dash the KIS Pakistani army. Double L ना है? Number 6, Johir Raihan dreamed a dash country. Seven, wished for a dash society. उत्तर लिख दो उत्तर लिख दो उत्तर. Okay, I am going to write down the answer and you will match it. Johir Raihan was a filmmaker. He was imprisoned to jail for protest. জীবন থেকে নেয়া is a protest against Pakistani ruler. Stop genocide is a documentary. Local collaborators, that means Rajakar, helped Pakistani army. Zoe Rahman dreamed a free country. He wished for a democratic society. So student, I think you could match your answer and your answer is fully correct. So I am going to give you some open-ended question for your to finish at home. Okay, write down. Okay. See you next time. Till then, goodbye and remain safe at your home.